Welcome to our video. In this part, we are going to explore the differences between ruminants and non-ruminants and what sets these two types of animal apart. First, let us talk about ruminants. Ruminants such as cattle and sheep have a unique digestive system with 4 stomach compartments. The first one being rumen, then followed by reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Here is a diagram for a ruminant's stomach structure. This complex stomach structure allows them to effectively break down and digest plant material, including tough cellulose. Not only that, they also have 2 blunt canines, and their molars and premolars are adapted for grinding, moving in lateral direction. Compared to other animals, ruminants have a large liver, which supports their long and complex digestion process. It takes ruminants longer to process their food, but they can break down plant carbohydrates, including cellulose. Ruminants produce a large amount of saliva, which aids in their food digestion. But interestingly, their saliva lacks enzyme for carbohydrate digestion. Ruminants undergo a process called regurgitation, where they bring partially digested food back up and chew it up again. This helps break down the food for further digestion.
Now, let's switch gear and look at non-ruminant. These animals, which include human, rabbit, and dog, have a single simple stomach with 1 compartment. Non-ruminant can be omnivore or carnivore. They have a simple digestive system and produce enzymes that help digest protein. They have 4 sharp canines and their premolar and molar move in the vertical direction to tear and chew food. Non-ruminant produce less saliva compared to the ruminant, but their saliva contain enzymes that help digest carbohydrates. They have a smaller liver and their digestion process is much quicker. Non-ruminant cannot digest cellulose, making them less efficient at breaking down the plant material. In summary, ruminant and non-ruminant have distinct digestive systems adapted to their dietary needs. Ruminant excel at digesting plant material, including cellulose, with their complex stomach and regurgitation process, while non-ruminant have a simple stomach suited for a varied diet with quicker digestion.
Today I want to share with you about the digestive system of a rabbit. Okay, so let's start. First of all, rabbits are herbivore, which means they primarily eat plant-based food. Their digestive system is specially designed to process and extract nutrients from this plant-based food. Here's an overview of the digestive system of a rabbit. Okay, first of all, point number 1 is mouth. Rabbits have a pair of incisor front teeth that are constantly growing, which help them to crack and grind their food. Okay, point number 2 is esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Okay, point number 3 is stomach. The stomach is a sac-like organ that secretes digestive enzyme and acid to break down food. Okay, point number 4 is small intestine. The small intestine is responsible for absorbing nutrients from the food into the bloodstream. Okay, point number 5 is large intestine. The large intestine is responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes from the waste material. Okay, point number 6 is cecum. The cecum is a specialized pouch that helps to break down and extract nutrients from plant-based food. Okay, point number 7 is colon. The colon is the last part of the digestive system where water electrolytes are absorbed from the waste material. Okay, lastly, point number 8 is urinary system. Rabbits have a unique urinary system where they excrete very little urine and instead excrete most of their waste in the form of feces. So overall, the digestive system of a rabbit is designed to process and extract nutrients from plant-based food. Their unique adaptations, such as the large cecum and specialized gut bacteria, help them to thrive on their diet. So that's all from me. Okay, thank you.
I will explain about the main component and function of the poultry digestive system. First is beak and mouth. The function is chicken do not have teeth, so they use the beak to pick up food. The food is moistened by saliva in the mouth, which contain enzymes that begin the digestive process. Second is esophagus and craw. First is esophagus, the tube that transports food from the mouth to the stomach. Crop and expendable punch in the esophagus where the food is already stored and softened. This allows chicken to eat large amount quickly and digest it later. Third is proventriculus, the first part of the stomach where digestive enzyme and hydrochloric acid are secreted to start breaking down the food chemically. Fourth is gizzard or muscular stomach. This powerful muscular organ grind the food, often with small aid of stone and grip the bird as follow. This mechanical digestion because bird of T5 is small intestine. Duodenum, the first section where the bile and pancreatic juice are added to the further digestive food. Jejunum and ileum, nutrients are absorbed through the wall of this section into bloodstream. Keka, the function is chicken have to keka where fermentation of any remaining undigested food occur. Some additional nutrients also happen here, particularly volatile fatty acid produced by microbial fermentation. 7 is large intestine. The function is absorb water and any remaining nutrient is relatively short in poultry compared to the mammals. 8 is orca. The function is the common exit area for the digestive urinary and reproductive tract waste is relegated to this cloaca. So that's all for this part of poultry digestive system.
Kita salah dola, dola dola dola, aduh kita salah dola, dola dola dola, kita salah dola.